Good morning, students. Today we will read the rest of the story Sona's Adventure. Open page 82. Now let's begin. The other animals came to see these strange animals. They found Sona walking alone and started laughing at her. In this picture, you can see many other animals over there. A monkey, a rabbit and a goat. They were making fun of Sona as they found her to be very strange because Sona had a long neck, a hump on her back, very long and thin legs and flat round feet. The monkey is saying, "What's that big hump on your back?" The rabbit is saying, "Ha ha ha, you look so funny. Look at those long legs and those funny flat feet." The goat said. Poor Sona didn't know what to say. She felt very hurt and started crying. Sona got very hurt and she started crying. She went to her mother. Sona ran to her mother. She told her what had happened. Now Sona's mother said, "Don't cry. They laughed at you because they don't know how special we are. We store fat in the hump. When we get nothing to eat, this fat helps us to not feel hungry. And with our long legs, we can walk fast. If our feet were not round and flat, they would sink deep into the sand." Sona was very happy now. So what did Sona's mother say to her? She said that they are very special. Children, do you know what is the meaning of hump? Hump is a raised part on the camel's back. The camels store fat in their hump because when they do not get anything to eat in the desert, they use that fat and it keeps them not to feel hungry. And with their long legs, they can walk very fast. And their round and flat feet help them not to sink. Sink means to go downwards. Their feet do not go downwards into the sand. Without their round and flat feet, they wouldn't be able to walk in the sand. Listening to all this, Sona was very happy. The next day, Sona saw a fig tree. She lifted her head, pulled down a few figs and tasted them. So tasty. Fig is a type of fruit. So Sona saw a fig tree and she lifted her head to pull down few figs. We know that camels have long necks, so they can eat anything from the long branches of the trees. Seeing her, the other animals also wanted to eat the fruit, but the branches were too high. In the next picture, you can see that the goat climbed the fig tree. The goat is saying, "I will get some for us. I can climb anything." Billy, the goat, climbed the tree and stretched his neck to reach a branch. He stretched and stretched. So what is the name of the goat? The name of the goat is Billy. He climbed the tree to get some figs, but he couldn't reach to them. He stretched his neck and with a splash, Billy fell into the pond. He was crying for help, as you can see in the picture. Billy's friends were too small to reach him. Sona quickly got into the pool. Billy's friends, the monkey and the rabbit, were very small, so they couldn't help him. But the camel is very long, so he got into the pool. Billy climbed onto her back Sona carried him safely till he was outside the pond. In this way, the camel Sona saved Billy's life. Now the goat is saying, "Thank you for saving my life. I'm so sorry I made fun of you. Let's be friends." The other animals also said, "Come and play with us." And from that day, they all became good friends. So children, what do we learn from the story? We learn from the story that we shouldn't make fun of anyone. So go through the story along with the spellings. Thank you.